Hello peeps, once again doing a little bit of restoration on a Smith & Wesson product. This time though it is not your typical Smith & Wesson product. It is, well, you can't really read it by this. There is actually something on that, but it is a Smith & Wesson knife. And as you can see, it does need restored back to its former glory. I mean, it looks a little, polishy and shiny. Come on, focus. Come on. Let's focus. Huh. I don't know why this thing won't focus. Okay, there we go. Well, there it went. Anyway, it's a Smith & Wesson knife. There's the seal. There we go. It focused. Fine. Oh, now it's not. Okay. So the blade is some issues, not like serious issues. Just needs some good cleaning with some Blue Wonder gun cleaner and some triple aught steel wool. And then I'm going to recondition the wood with some lacquer and thinner. And well, I'm going to sand it first and then recondition it. And then coat it with lacquer and thinner a couple of times. Made in the USA. It will not focus on that. I don't know why. It's really awesome though. The Smith & Wesson logo. Or words. Whatever. Huh. Focus on everything but that. That's weird. Let's turn it this way. Focus is fine. There we go. Well, anyway. Blade, the finish a little dull. Few little items on the brass that I'm going to clean up, especially on the pommel. Take some, because it's supposed to look like brass and not look like rust. It's not really rusted that bad. I mean, it's just surface rust. But I'm also going to sharpen the blade. It's a little sharp, but let you guys see it after I'm done, because I'm not going to film this whole thing because it could take hours. So I'll talk to you guys on the other side. Oh, just one more thing. It did actually come. Wait, that's the wrong way. It did actually come with this little sheath thing and a warranty card in the box. I guess you can get a warranty on a knife. So that's pretty interesting. And it came in this really nice box, Smith & Wesson. Wait, upside down. Smith & Wesson. It's not torn or anything. This was apparently made in the third month of 1974. So that's interesting. Yeah. Warranty paper for a knife. Interesting. Got it for a fraction of what it's worth. Because they're selling on eBay for over $500, like nearly $600. And I didn't pay that much for it. So I'm going to do some work on it and see you on the other side. Okay, peeps. Here is the knife after. I got done with it. A little bit of Blue Wonder gun cleaner. some mothers and some Renaissance wax, and voila. And just a little coat of the lacquer after I sanded a little bit. And then I coated it with Renaissance wax after I let it dry. So, yes, this is come on, focus. Made in the USA. Smith and Wesson. A beautiful Smith and Wesson logo. The brass cleaned up really good. Handguard cleaned up really good. Because it was not this color, it was discolored. The blade cleaned up beautifully, just beautifully. Oh, and now it's sharp, by the way. I sharpened it. Yeah. It's got a nice edge on it now. I don't have anything to cut right now, but trust me, it's sharp. You can see the edge on it. Sort of, not really. But anyway, that's it. Peace, and I am out. Wish that would focus. Hang on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. Okay, folks. That's it.